Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your go-to spot for the hottest tech reviews and performance-driven gear. Today we're diving into the CORSAIR VENGEANCE RGB DDR5 RAM, a powerhouse memory kit designed to take your PC to the next level. Whether you're gaming, creating content, or running resource-heavy applications, this kit is built to dominate. Let's talk specs. You're getting 32GB of DDR5 RAM, split into two 16GB sticks, the perfect sweet spot for modern gaming and multitasking. Clocked at a blazing 6000 MHz, this RAM isn't just fast, it's engineered for next-gen performance. The tight latency of CL36-44-44-96 ensures snappy responsiveness, especially when paired with the latest Intel CPUs, and with Intel XMP 3.0 support, you can easily unlock its full potential with just a few BIOS tweaks. Now let's talk about aesthetics, because this RAM doesn't just perform, it looks amazing doing it. The VENGEANCE RGB styling is signature CORSAIR, clean, bold, and customizable. You get dynamic RGB lighting that syncs perfectly with iCUE to match your entire build's vibe. Whether you prefer subtle hues or full-on RGB explosions, you're covered. Under the hood, this memory is optimized for Intel's latest 12th, 13th, and 14th gen processors, and is ideal for LGA 1700 and LGA 1851 platforms. And thanks to onboard voltage regulation, it delivers more precise control and better overclocking potential without added heat or instability. For PC builders, this RAM is plug-and-play simplicity, and it's backed by CORSAIR's legendary durability. Whether you're chasing frames in high-end gaming or rendering video projects, the CORSAIR VENGEANCE DDR5 won't bottleneck your experience. If you're building or upgrading a high-performance PC in 2025, this is hands down one of the best DDR5 memory kits you can install. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and check out the link below if you're ready to upgrade your rig with the CORSAIR VENGEANCE RGB DDR5. Until next time, keep your build sharp and your performance sharper.